Okay, guys, today is the Unit 2 review, and the test is not until Thursday. So you have an extra day to go over this tomorrow if you need to. So in Schoology, click on the bottom where it says Unit 2 review. Okay, and you're going to start a new attempt. So I'm going to do 8 problems with you. Pay attention so that you are able to do the rest of them with by yourself. So this question, problem number 1, is asking for an equivalent to this. Do you see an equal sign anywhere on there? ¿Hay un igual? So if you don't see an equal sign anywhere on here, this is called combining like terms. Combine like terms. Los que se parecen, the ones that look alike, you have to add or subtract them. So when you see x's, this is 2x plus 4x minus 7x. That's 2x plus 4x minus 7x. You can type that in Desmos without the x's. So in Desmos, 2 plus 4 minus 7. 2 plus 4 minus 7. That is the answer for the number with the x, -1. So this gives you -1x. Look at the answer choices. There's only 2 that say -1x. Okay? Then you do the other numbers. This is -6 plus 9 minus, don't forget this minus, 5 because it's outside the parentheses. So it's -6 plus 9 minus 5. And you guys are putting this in Desmos as well. -6 plus 9 minus 5. Oops. Plus 9 minus 5. -2. So this equals -2. Now I'm going to erase something real quick so you can see it. All of this is in parentheses, and all of it has a minus outside, so that minus goes with the 7x and it goes with the 5. That's why I subtracted 5 instead of adding 5. So pay attention to the signs and pay attention to the parentheses, okay? Because the answer was -2. So that would be B. Okay? Let's go to the next problem. Did you put the answer down already? Okay, the next problem. Problem 2. You guys know how to do this. When you see this symbol, you put the whole thing together. You don't separate it. The whole thing together in Desmos. So go ahead and start typing it in Desmos. I have 5, let me put it up here. 5 parentheses, 3 minus x, close parentheses, less than -2x plus 6. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and it crosses at 3, and it goes this way. Okay, so this is the symbol I'm going to use. It's at 3, so it's x greater than 3. Do you understand that? If it's shading to the right, this is the symbol I'm using. If it's shading to the left, I'm going to use that symbol. It's like arrows. Okay? Hopefully that will help you. So pick the answer, and let's move on. Let's go to problem number 3. Problem number 3, if you see an equal sign, then you have 2 different ones. You're going to have this in y equals and this in y equals. So I'm not going to do that one with you. You guys know how to do it. Y equals, and see where they cross, right? Problem number 4. Do you guys remember these? type this whole thing in decimals just like that. F of x equals 2x minus 4. Okay, and they're giving us the domain, so those are my x's, -4, -2, 0, 3, and 5. So we're looking for those numbers in decimals. So you could do it two different ways. So I'm going to show you both ways. F of x, so type it exactly how you see it, F of x, close parentheses, equal, Angel. We're typing this. -5x, oh no, that's not it, 2x minus 4. Okay? And then we're going to type all those numbers. So f of, the first number is -4. That gives me -12. The next number is -2. That gives me -8. The next number is 0. That gives me -4. Are you writing these down? 3 gives me 2. And 5 gives me 6. That's how you do those problems. Or you can just hit the little settings button and open up the table for that equation and go look for all the x's and see what the y's give you. Okay, you can always type extra numbers here, like -4 gave me -12. 5 gave me 6. And it says, which of the following is a corresponding range value? So when you wrote down those numbers, what were the numbers that we wrote down? Oh, nobody remembers? Nobody wrote it down? Let's go back and do them. I have -12. I have -8. I have, where's my 0? -4. 0 gives me -4, so that's my answer. Okay, let's go to problem 5. Same thing, you're going to type this whole thing in decimals just like that, and you're going to type this whole thing in decimals just like that, and it's going to give you an answer. Okay, moving on. Let's go to problem number 8. Six, 7, 8. Problem 8, it says what equation would be used for the height? So we're solving for h. A equals 1/2 b times h. How do I get rid of the 1/2? Multiplying by what? By 2, because it's the reciprocal. So multiply by 2 on both sides. That gets rid of my fraction. So now I have 2a equals bh. And if I'm solving for h, how do I get rid of the b? Divide by b. So that's your answer. Choose it, and let's move on. Let's go to problem 9. We just have 2 more to do, and then you guys are doing the rest of them. Problem 9 is talking about perimeter of a rectangle. So I would draw the rectangle. Okay? It says the length is 2x plus 8, so 2x plus 8 goes here. And then the width is 3x minus 2. So we talked about this last time, and we said that if this is 2x plus 8, then this is 2x plus 8. And if this is 3x minus 2, then this is also 3x minus 2. Perimeter means to add. Add up all the sides. So we're going to add up all the things that look alike, los que se parecen. So 2x plus 3x plus 2x plus 3x. What does that give you? 2 plus 3, 5, plus 2, 7, plus 3, 10. Then you add up these. This is 8 minus 2 plus 8 minus 2. Type that in decimals and it will give you the answer. I'm not giving you the answer. Okay, and then let's go to the last problem. Problem number 18. All of these problems are going to be on the test on Thursday. Make sure that you ask the questions today. Don't wait till Thursday to try to ask me questions because we're not going to answer them for you. I'm not going to tell you how to do the problems that I'm telling you right now how to do. So this problem was on the last test we took. Do you guys remember it? Este problema estuvo en la última prueba que hicimos. How did you do it? How did you answer this question when it said to combine? What are you supposed to do? You're supposed to add, combine means to add, the things that look alike. The things that look alike. So this one, the 2G, goes with this one. So you add them. And then this one goes with this one, and you add them. And you guys have decimals, so I don't want any excuses about why you can't add fractions. Put it in decimals. So let's go put it in decimals right now, because you're going to have a problem just like this on the test. I'm not doing it just to do it. So 2 plus 7 over 2. 2 plus 7 divided by 2. And guess what? Now we have a button that changes it to a fraction, right? So you press that button, and it says it's 11 over 2. So there's two answers that have that. This one and this one, right? And then we do the other one, 2/3 plus a negative 1 over 6. So 2/3 plus, hold on. Arrow over, plus negative 1 divided by 6. Again, hit the little button, and it gives you the answer, which is positive 1/2. So there's your answer, okay? I need you to finish the rest of the problems, turn it in, and let's see what you would get on the test if this was the test, okay?